back to the channel Shanky Verma Dance. So I'm back with another video, and this video is going to be really amazing. What it about amazing? The video is all about the famous song Chaleya from the movie Jawan and the biggest superstar SRK. So we're going to learn about the signature step choreography and how to do it from every aspect and everything that we're going to do. And if you have not seen my earlier videos that I have brought on foundations, then you're going to regret it. Why? Because in this choreography, 2 of the foundations are being used. So get the update about every video. So just hit the subscribe button. Let's go begin with the Chaleya. Let's begin with the move. So as the move is totally based on footwork, okay, now we're going to do, and now you're going to understand why foundations are more important than some of the moves or songs or combos. Foundation is really important. I'll tell you why. So let's go with the first step. First, what you're going to do in the move, take your legs in the shape of V and an outside, or you can begin from the front side also, it's not important. Okay, so from over here, what you're going to do, you're going to take your both the knees inside. Okay, away with that, when you take your both the knees inside, your both of the toe will also come inside. And now here the thing is going to happen, which I have told you about that last video I made on the shuffle move, okay, that had been used in the shuffle dance, the heel and toe. Now they are going to use over here. So if you are aware about the foundation, everything is going to be super easy. Let's go. So now, which we did on the both of the knees inside and the toe, now we're going to use the left leg on the toes as well as the right leg on the heel. Okay, so we'll be going like heel and toe, and then you drop, again you come inside with the same. So the heel toe has been used for traveling towards the right side. Okay, let's begin once again. 5, 6, 7, go. Both the knees in. Now left leg toe, right leg heel, drop and in. Again left leg toe and right leg heel, and dropping in. And when you're going to come back, it's so simple. You're going to do the reverse. Now right on the toe, left on the heel, and in. Right on the toe, left on the heel, and in. Right on the toe and left leg on the heel, and in. Okay. Now, so when you get the confidence, okay, first of all, do the practice of more of heel and toe. If you want to understand this move, that would be super easy. The last video is on that. You can go and really check it out. Okay. Now is the body position. It's so simple. Okay. Now you're going to keep your both the hands over here. Okay. And I'm going to go like flap your elbows, flap from your shoulders and all. So go like out, in, out, in, out, in. So exactly we're going to do like that. Out, in, out, in, out, in. Okay. Now we're going to travel to the right side. We'll do the same what we did exactly over here. Let's go with that. 5, 6, 7, go. So we go on, out, in, out, in, out. Then we did out, in. Here we're going to go in, out, because the first both of the toes are coming in. Let's begin. 5, 6, 7, go in, out, in, out, in, out. Okay. Now second thing which you need to focus over here, that the knees should be a little bit bent, because if they are not bent, all the way you're not going to get the correct posture. Second, somehow you will lose your balance or something, or you can have injuries also. So stay with for that. So knees are bent and the arms over here on the waist, and then we go like in, out, in, out, in, out. Now when we come from the right to the left, after when we are going towards the left side, so as well as used to tell you about the legs, in and right leg on toes and left leg on heels, in, right leg on toes, left leg on heels, in and in and. Okay, so now what are you going to go with the hands? We have gone with the flap hands towards the right side. Now when you're going to come back to the left, you'll be taking your point finger. I have told about this in the dance foundations. Okay, check out the videos. So now what you're going to do, you're going to just push it out, okay? So you're going to push it out, but you're not going to go push with your body, okay, towards the right side. Means you're going to go alternate. What? So you go in, out, okay? So we will go for this for 2 times, okay? So we'll go like as we did in the first time. So we go in, out, in, out, in, out. Then we'll go as it is goes out, out. As you can see, I use 2 times point, okay? So you can go along because that is in the choreography. If you want to go for a single time, you can go. Okay, then this was all about, let's do it on the tempo, actually how the song is. So we'll go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. After this, you're going to hit with your elbow, okay? Left elbow. So you're going like double hit, okay? Because the count are 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're going to do what? So we are going to go like 1, 2, 3, 4 clap. And the left hand goes at the back of the head, and your left leg gets up and do the step together with the right leg. I have thought about that also, the formations of legs, stance. Let's go. So we go from over here, double hit, double clap, left and back. Now from over here, you're just going to take your left leg on heel, right leg on heel, left leg on heel, right leg on heel. Okay. So you're going to go like left. You're going to use the blaze hands. Okay. This also I have taught in the foundations. So now you're going to go like left down from the chest, right down from the chest, left down from the chest, right down from the chest. Okay. Let's go with the legs. 5, 6, 7, go. Left, right. Now after this, you will come on the front side. Means while going with the heels, you will taking the position from the left to the center. So we'll go like right, heel. What we did exactly, when we were doing over here, so we go with the right leg and the left. Right leg and the left hand, left leg and the right hand, right leg and the left hand, left leg and the right hand. That means we are using the alternate hands. Okay. So let's go from the last. So we did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you go 7, 8 and center forward. Correct? So let's go from the beginning. 5, 6, 7, go. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and I think so you got the moves. Now just go with the practice. I'll upload the video in the shorts form that you need to check out in the channel. Okay. Okay. So I guess you understood the step of the choreography signature step Chaleya, and I'm going to do, and I'm going to make it more good. Upload the reels and all of the type. And if you love this video, just hit the subscribe button and the like button. Do not forget to comment in the comment box how did you like about our content and all. I'll see you in the next session. Till then, bye bye and